most of the cruises,
Yes.
you know, parang hindi kayo tumatanda. You look so young. Parang, yeah.
Matanda naman.
What's your...
That's what muna. We'll watch it soon. Let's just finish this.
What's the secret to looking young?
I love
And
weightlifting.
slim and sexy.
I used to focus on being thin in my 20s and 30s. Be thin, wag kumain. Sabi ko, di masaya yun. Although hindi man ako food, pero may mga times talaga yung hormones. Kasi kailangan, pag babae ka, aware ka sa ganun, bakit kaya mas matakaw ako ngayon or mas wala akong gana ngayon? Na-realize ko, hindi yun maganda. I realized weightlifting is my cup of tea that makes me happy to lift heavy weights, and I'm talking about barbells. So I do that, and then anyway.
Sorry, let's play it later.
Oh, okay. So let me just finish this para maano na rin. So for 2 years ago when I got back 4 years ago when I got back from the States, I started going
4
with
years
my
ago?
nung pandemic. Magpa-5 na kasi 2020 yun when I got back. Meron akong cousin, Glenda Cruz, who's also a singer, who is into weightlifting. So sa gym and all that, sumama ako. And then nagustuhan ko. Weightlifting.
She was the one who joined the triathlon.
And then she joined the triathlon with me. I run all the time with her. I didn't know how to swim. I only learned how to swim last January under a wonderful coach, okay, Al Gonzalez, who's somebody who's a triathlete, okay? So, he taught me how to swim, and I realized ko, sabi ko, kung nasa Air Force ako, mas may silbi ako kung marunong akong mag-swim. Kasi pwede ka mag-dive from the helicopter or the during, you know, kasi hindi naman ako lang parang magpa-cute, diba? I really wanna help, and because it makes me happy. So, I learned. By July, ginawa ko na yun. Ginawa ko yung triathlon. Ginawa ko yung triathlon over marathon because I get bored na tumatakbo lang ako. And also, to push me to know how to swim. And now, I can swim. Yay!
Late bloomer ka talaga.
Late bloomer talaga ako because maaga ako nagtrabaho.
Now that you can do triathlons, would you be willing to do Survivor, I guess, if ever?
I will never do Survivor, you know why, again? Because I never really wanted to join Survivor in the first place. I only joined that because my ex, Casey, whom I respect, okay, and love as now as a best, you know, one of my good friends. Familial na yung love. Somehow, I mean, it can happen to me because it happened with Paco. Diba? He's one of my good friends. Siya talaga yung may gusto. Alam ko kasi na may mga backstabbing and all that. I really didn't want to. And when I joined, I was a vegan and I didn't know what I could eat other than plants. Anyway, I didn't want to. It's not about that. I mean, I don't care about the ring. I love the ring. I joined the Air Force. I mean, wala akong pakialam sa putik and kaartihan na nila. Hindi ako maating tao, pero nagmukha akong maarte dahil sa mga pinakita nila. Diba? I did that out of love. I did that out of love because I still love my ex. You know? And I really regret. So no, it's a no for me. Niregret ko yun, pero natuwa lang ako na tumagal siya doon sa loob. So, but yeah, I will never do it because of all the backstabbing things. I don't like that. As much as possible, I just want to be myself and just be happy and peaceful, diba? Wala nang away-away.